Now, as part of the sustainability push, podiums at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics will be made from recycled plastic waste. Some 45,000 kilograms of plastic will be needed to turn around about 100 podiums.
To gather enough materials, though, organisers will be collecting plastic waste donated by residents or salvaged from the sea. The Games organisers have been keen to promote an eco-friendly message, including making all the medals from recycled electronic waste.
Japanese athletes will also wear an official kit made in part from recycled clothes.